A 3D printing and additive manufacturing solutions company, Stratasys Ltd, recently introduced another innovation with its J750 printer. This new printer brings novel possibilities by providing customers with the chance to mix and match color gradients. Not only that, but they are given a groundbreaking range of materials to help with the achievement of one-stop realism without the need for post-processing. All of this together makes the J750 a superior 3D printing solution for product designers at 3Ds, engineers, manufacturers, and even service bureaus. Not only does the J750 provide consumers with customization options, it offers 360,000 different color shades as well as material properties such as rigid, flexible, opaque and transparent. Prototypes of shoes can have multiple properties in the same part, which will help speed up production of realistic models that are incomparable to others. Designers and engineers will be able to have their prototypes within hours of developing the initial concepts with the correct design and functionality. Imagine what that could do for 3dshoes.com, Under Armour, or Nike. The 3D printer will work with the software PolyJet Studio. Its intuitive interface will allow users to choose materials and to optimize the build and manage print queues. Design colors, transparencies and rigidity will be a cinch with the easy program controls. The printer also features a 6 material capacity, thus minimizing the time for material changeovers. 3D printed models will be made in half the time with almost endless design possibilities.